Cruisers, I have some bad news. Cruising is getting more and more popular, and with popularity, the prices are increasing. We're seeing lots of price hikes and gratuities and just cruise fares overall. But today we fight back. Today, I'm going to show you how to save money. 10% on your Carnival Cruise Fair, your drink package, and everything else you buy from Carnival Cruise Lines. So grab a drink and let's get waist deep here at the Blue Water Club. Welcome to the Blue Water Club, and yes, today is all about saving money, and I'm going to give you the ultimate cruise hack for saving 10% across the board for Carnival Cruise Line cruisers. And I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. It is not difficult. It is very easy and anyone can do it. It's going to save you hundreds of dollars on your next cruise, guaranteed. So stay tuned as I show you the step-by-step process of using AARP gift cards to save 10% on your Carnival cruise, your drink package, and everything else that you purchase through Carnival Cruise Line. The first thing you need to do is become an AARP member. And I already know what you're thinking. You might be surprised that you can become a member of AARP when you're 18 and older. So basically, anyone can do it. It only costs about $12 a year at the time that I filmed this video. That price can change, but currently it's very cheap. Once you become an AARP member, you qualify for AARP rewards. And what this allows you to do is purchase Carnival Cruise gift cards at a 10% discount. They have a $500 gift card and a $100 gift card. The $500 gift card only costs $450. The $100 gift card only costs $90. And you may think, well, that's not a huge savings. But when you start to look at how much a cruise costs, let's say an average cruise is around $3,000 for a family of four. Well, if you use the gift cards, you're saving $300. And let's say the average drink package price is around $800 for two. If you use the Carnival gift cards, you're saving $80. $380 in savings that you wouldn't have had unless you used this hack. The best part is you can use this for anything that you purchase through Carnival Cruise Lines. Bottled water, room decorations, you name it. Can even take the gift cards and add them to your Sell Inside account. So when you go shopping on the cruise ship for candy or luxury goods, all 10% off now. Let's get started on showing you exactly how you can purchase these gift cards through AARP. The first thing you need to do is become an AARP member. Once you're logged into your AARP account, you'll see reward points at the top right. Click on reward points. On the next page, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says see all rewards. Once you're on the page after that, you're going to scroll until you see a search bar. In that search bar, just type in the word Carnival. You'll see there are two gift card options, the $450 option and the $90 option. So when you purchase these gift cards, the $450 gift card is worth $500 in Carnival money. The $90 gift card is worth $100 in Carnival money that you can use however you want on Carnival's website or on the Carnival Cruise itself. Once you add these gift cards to your cart and purchase them, you're going to receive an email. And inside that email, you're going to have combinations of numbers. You're going to have the gift card number and the PIN code. So you think that's the end of the story. Okay, you saved 10% on anything that you purchase through Carnival Cruise Lines, but that's not it. There's an even bigger value when it comes to AARP. Every time you purchase these gift cards, you earn reward points. These reward points allow you to enter raffles and other things to win more gift cards. And yes, there are raffles for Carnival gift cards. I actually used all my reward points to enter a raffle for a $500 Carnival gift card. And this is just the beginning of how you can use your AARP reward points. And that's it. From now on, when it comes to Carnival Cruise Line, you're going to save hundreds of dollars on every cruise thanks to this video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button below and become a member of the Blue Water Club. It's absolutely free. Also, leave a like on this video and let me know in the comments if this video helped you save money on your future cruise. I'd be happy to hear that it was helpful. Until the next time, grab a drink and let's get waist deep here at the Blue Water Club.